Hello my people, good evening. I want to show you how I make my stew. This is melusa fish, this is cow skin and snail, this is abodi and shaki, this is beef, and this is turkey. In here I have thyme, onions, salt, maggi and curry. So first of all, you put this is shaki and abodi. So you have to boil this, cook this first, then I put them inside, then cover to cook. At least we have to cook this for 10 or 12 minutes before we put the rest meat. So this is it. So this one is ready. So we have to put the beef inside, then with the cow skin, because the beef we have here is not that strong. So it's not that strong. It's time for us to add our turkey. This is it. So let's add the snail too. I'm going to remove the snail first. It's almost ready. My tomato. I have garlic in here, ginger, onions and tomatoes, then bell pepper. So I just want to parboil it a little bit, then I filter the water away. So this is it. So I'm done with this. I put it here to filter, to remove the water. This is this. Anyway, if you want it smooth, it's the thing of choice. I make my rough blend. So this is it. Salt, maggi and curry. We have parboiled the tomatoes before. It's almost ready anyway. So now we'll put our, this is bell pepper and onion. I blended together. So this is, so let's cover. Yeah, this is it. It's ready. I like crayfish, so I have to put crayfish. I'm adding a little bit of the stock from the meat. This is just a little bit. It's time to put the meat. Don't forget, I don't fry my meat. I don't like fried meat. Even my children, they love it this way. So if you want, you can fry yours. It's a thing of choice. Everything is good. Salt, Maggi. Okay, I taste it is good. So don't forget, it's dry stew. Cut it like native stew. We still have fish coming, so let's cover to cook. It's time to add the fish. Yes, it's ready. Yeah, so good. Look at it. Yeah, so it's done. Yeah, this is the final result of the food. We are eating it, rice and stew. This is it. So come and join me. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and like. This is my sister's channel. Subscribe.